To install the 82 to 03 spring solo kit, easiest way to get it going is to put your screws through here and get your nylock nuts lightly threaded on. Slide it into the front tab. We used to weld these on, but people would cross thread them half the time and break off the bolt, and we'd have to replace those over and over again, so we don't weld these on anymore. What you can do is put your hand up under here, hold the back of the screw. I use an impact because it's way quicker, or you can use a wrench, whatever you like, and tighten down this nylock. Don't over tighten it, just get it, you'll deform this back strap slightly, but that's fine. Put it on there, bend it down, put the spacer back here, bolt through. Kind of hard to see what you're doing without looking, but you can kind of feel around and catch the back of the nut.